North of our viewing area right now near Waxahachie, there's a line of storms that is going to be moving through, and Mansfield and Alvarado are in the thick of it right now. As we can see, that lightning is really popping off. So 3 a.m., this is what it could look like in your area. We even see some scattered showers moving to 6 a.m. and persisting throughout the morning and on your way to work, and it could last even as far as 1 p.m. with isolated thunderstorms and showers. We had a severe thunderstorm move through Camden, now kind of died out and forming lower in parts of Jackson, Monroeville, where we have more of a severe wind threat. York and Sumter County is under a flash flood warning. They've been in a lot of rainfall over the past 6 hours. More uniform and organized, so it should increase the coverage area. So that will be the first round, and then more energy will move through Oklahoma into our area come Sunday night. And half of the state is seeing a lot of rain compared to the western side, and that's also because that low pressure system is dragging in a lot of this dry air. Looking further though, we're looking at this wind threat. We can see 44 miles per hour on the edges. More towards the center, it's going to be a lot higher, and we're maybe even close to right here, 74 miles per hour wind, as we can just see, and that is going to be moving eastward throughout the night. So our northeastern counties north of this pink line could experience some frost in their gardens or grass. That's mainly because of this low pressure system that is just sitting right over Alabama. The main story is it feels a lot hotter than it actually is. Humidity is high, dew points in the 70s. It's looking at feeling like 95 here in Birmingham. Cloud cover starting to come over to downtown Birmingham. It was a little bit sunnier 30 minutes ago, but the nice news is there's not a lot of rain. All that rain is staying relatively south of Birmingham. Most of these are rain showers, not many thunderstorms, but Alexander City here getting a lot of rain, so is Sylacauga, but pretty dry over here near Tuscaloosa and Aliceville. So if you do find yourself under one of these showers, what are the risks associated with that? Well, we can see gusts up to 40 miles per hour and even peak to quarter-size hail. Isolated showers by 12 a.m., continuing to 1 a.m., we have even heavier pockets of rain and thunderstorms that it could be associated with that. But mostly by the late morning, it's going to clear on up. It's because we're in a Rex block formation, where basically what we have is we have a high pressure to our north and a low pressure down here, and they counteract each other, keeping them in place. But this system will fall apart eventually, and this low pressure system will move into our area. So right now we are in a code orange air quality alert, so if you are particularly sensitive to air quality, make sure to limit your time outside today. Tropics, where not much is going on, we have a little bit of a disturbance here that might become a named storm. It's 60% chance, but if it does, it will not most likely affect land. By 10 p.m., those showers have died out and overcast skies have taken over. And this will last until Friday morning on your early morning commute. Howdy, those storms that were in our area this morning have now moved to Mississippi and are even causing a tornado watch in most of Mississippi, anywhere in this big yellow area. And this is mainly because we had a cold front move through, causing those storms, but also lowering our temperatures into the 60s for where we are right now feeling. Now north, it is in the 30s, and this cold air is going to work its way down to our region, but the cool air isn't going to be as cool as it seemed like in North Texas. It is going to make our mornings quite cold, as we're going to be sitting in the 40s, but we're going to quickly warm up back to the mid 60s for our afternoon highs. Now, for our next 3 days, Tuesday looks fairly nice, 67, clear, sunny. Thursday, even better, 76, clear and sunny, but here sandwiched here is Wednesday, where we do have rain chances occurring. It's going to be 30%, not a complete washout, but this is mainly because we have a jet stream sinking over our area and bringing with it energy. So as this energy moves in by late Tuesday afternoon, it's going to cause these storms to start firing off, and it's going to be isolated to scattered showers, not a complete washout. Maybe some chances for some thunder in between those storms, but like I said, not a complete washout. We're looking at 20%. For our temperatures Tuesday, we're going to be sitting in the lows for 46. It's going to be quite below average, as our normal, what we're used to seeing, is 54. And that's going to quickly warm up throughout the day. Once that sun comes out, we're going to be sitting at 60 by 12 p.m., moving to 65 by 3 p.m., almost a 20-degree jump from what we were feeling that morning, and quite below average again, as we're used to feeling 75 by that afternoon. So as we approach Easter weekend, Good Friday, 79, and even 84 by Easter Sunday, as that warming temperature, we're going to start feeling average and even above average temperatures by Easter Sunday. So for our next 10 days, early next week, we're going to be sitting close to 90 degrees by Monday, and even rain chances increasing into Tuesday as another cold front slices our temperatures back down into the 70s and even the 60s into late next week.